This is 3-in-1. I will use the medium one. Why I say sharpening is because I'm removing steel. I will do edge leading. This is the edge. Okay, I must do alternating. Slowly, heel to tip. 3 times my regular pressure. Half the pressure. As light as possible. Then I will show you. Okay, I've not destroyed the edge. It will cut. Now I will destroy the edge. Okay. Doesn't cut nicely. It's because there is a tiny curl, either left or right. What I want to do is to break the curl, then I refine it. So I will do it this way. Knife pointing back, edge leading, heel to tip. 1, 2, 3. My regular pressure. Half pressure. As light as possible. That's what you need to do for a quick touch-up when you don't have access to the stone. How to use the rod effectively. Put it in front of you, slight angle, not up, not down. Okay? About level. Important thing is heel to tip. Angle anywhere between 20 to 25. But you must hear the sound, the scraping sound. Okay, if I put too low, you see there's no sound. Why? It's because I'm hitting the high spot slightly behind the edge, so I'm not touching the edge. It doesn't matter if it is too high. Some people say I do it at 45 degrees. As long as you have an apex, it will cut. So to sum it up, okay, edge leading, edge leading. 2, you must reduce your pressure. Okay. Why pressure control is most important is because the whole pressure is on one tiny spot. If I put it on the stone, the whole pressure is dispersed over a wider area. So that's why pressure control is most important. If not, once you reach an apex, guess what will happen? You get a curl or burr again, meaning you start all over again and the knife becomes a bit thicker. End of story. Done.